everyone, so I thought I'd show my weekend morning routine. It's obviously a lot more chilled than the weekday, as obviously I get up earlier and go to work. But on the weekends I get ready. I probably wake up at around 8:30 or 9. So I'll just do my makeup and my hair ready for the day. And sometimes I like to do either yoga or Pilates in the morning, just from like a YouTube video, which is what I did on this day. So I just followed a Move with Nicole YouTube video. I then like to make the bed, as it just sort of like clears my mind. I feel like if the bed isn't made, it kind of makes me a bit stressed. So I just make the bed all nice and neat. Normally always a full washing basket, so I just put a load on in the morning so I don't have to worry about it later on. Then I'll just pack all of the washing up that was done the night before away, so the kitchen's all nice and tidy, and just clear the sink as well. Then this day I thought I'd go to the shops, get some baking bits for later and also my breakfast. So I was making cherry bakewell cookies and cranberry and chocolate cookies, and then also these s'mores cookies. These actually turned out so nice with the gooey marshmallows inside. I then also had a brownie order to make, so I just baked this as well. I take these vitamins daily, so they're just apple cider vinegar and just a multivit. And then for breakfast this morning I had avocado on sourdough, and then I just fried off some mushrooms as well with some kale and also some turkey bacon. Of course I need to make myself a coffee, so I just make a latte from my Nespresso machine alongside the Nespresso pods. I'll then just tidy up the lounge from the night before, and we had Esme stay over this morning, so of course she wanted to be involved in everything. Then when all the jobs are done, we then head out on our long walk along with Esme as well. It's really handy because we actually live really close to the sea, so we can literally just walk down to the seafront and grab a coffee on the way.
She don't know me, wish that I can make her stay. She's so lonely, why she gotta go away?
I really hope you enjoyed this style of video. If you did, please let me know and I'll see you in the next one.